Hey, what's up? So this is a SQL question. And basically, you are a recruiter in an IT company, and there was a competition, and all the people that did that competition have some scores, and these information have been stored inside a table called leaderboard. And as you can see, these are the scores. And what your company will do, it will interview the top three people. So in this table, we have Alex as the one set position. Uh, but interviewing these three is not enough. So you need to interview the next five. So from 4 to 8, you need to interview these as well. And you need to write a query to get these. So let's start by selecting name and the score. Oops. From leaderboard, order by score in descending order, and let's see what this will give us. Okay, this is the table. This is our output. As you can see, Alex is number one, right? Then this guy, then this. So these are the top three. We already interviewed these. We need to get the next five, which is these. So to do this, there's actually a clause in MySQL called limit. As you can see, we are always getting the next five. So I will limit to get 5 rows only to start from 4. So limit 5 only get 5 and start from 4. But I typed here 3 because offset will work like the number you give it plus 1. So it will go actually to number 4, and now we will get 5. So this is what offset means. To skip like a couple of rows. So skip 3 rows, then start getting only 5. Let's now remove the score. We are only interested in the names, as you can see here. I think you already read that, but yeah. Yeah, all tests have been passed. Now submit. And it's correct. Thank you.